Have you ever wondered what you can do with an old pair of leggings? Okay, stick around guys, because today I'm going to show you how to transform those leggings into this adorable top with just few easy steps. No fancy skills required. Trust me guys, this is a beginners friendly tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome back to Sandra Creation. I'm Sandra and I'm all about fun, simple DIYs that give your wardrobe a glow up. So in today's tutorial, we're going to be taking this pair of leggings and then we are going to be turning it into a cute one-of-a-kind top. First thing first, we are going to first of all work on the sleeve of this top. So I'm using the down part of this legging for the sleeve. So I'm just going to cut the length of how much sleeve I want. So that's what I'm doing here. So this is it. I'm just going to put this aside. We're going to work on it later. So first thing, I'm just going to open the inside of this legging all through. Next is to remove the waistband. So this waistband, we can also always use it to create something fun later. Next is to open the sides of this legging so that we can have enough fabric to work with. So now is to try as much as possible to close this crotch area down to give it a straight line as much as possible. So it doesn't have to be perfectly straight because this is a stretchy fabric. It won't really matter if it's 100% straight or not because it stretches and it's going to sit on your body, so it doesn't matter. That's the beauty of legging. And drifting 101, whenever you are drifting for anything, as much as possible, the fabric, the texture and everything should matter more than any other thing. So right now I'm just making sure that it's straightened on every part before I cut out the pattern. Now we have a blank canvas to work with. So in this blank canvas, we are going to put in the pattern we are going to use. But first, I'm just going to hem the top of the front and the back. Now at this point, I'm going to cut out the pattern for this top. So I'm using this top that I like the fitting. The trick to doing this is to use a top that you like the fitting, and then we are going to fold in the top of this top 4-inch in because it's an off shoulder, so it's needed for you to turn in at least 4-inch or 5-inch before you trace out the pattern. So afterwards, I'm just going to cut out the pattern exactly the size of the top because I want this top tighter, because the tighter the better. You will know at the end of this video, the tighter gives you a beautiful ruffle when you wear it, so it's better it's tighter on you. So the next thing is to sew the sides. It can take it at least 1/2 inch or 1 inch, so it depends. And then before I sew the side, I just use the armhole to cut out the sleeve. So I'm going to take this sleeve a bit down, this tracing a bit down, because I want the sleeve to be gathered. So I'm leaving at least 3 inch at the top. That part is just for the gathering of this top. And here it is after joining. So the next thing is just to hem the down part of this top and then work on the sleeve. So as I've done many times on my channel, you know how it is. Just do a running stitch and then drag it till it gets to the size of gather you want. And the last step is just to join the sleeve to the top. And there you have it, a cute top from a pair of leggings in under 20 minutes. I'm really obsessed with this. Like, I'm so obsessed with how easy it is. What do you guys think? Will you try this? Is this something you would like to try? Let me know in the comment down below. So don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and of course hit the notification bell so that you never miss any of my DIYs. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.